Hey guys, how's it going? Pocket back with another video. I'm finally back after being dragged off by so much uni work and loads of assignments which I barely have any time to get breaks or even do a YouTube video. So I kind of had to stick with those studies, otherwise I will probably fail these courses. But anyways, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the password for screen time, so getting more time on social media or playing games or whatever on your iPhone with iOS 12. So let's get started. So if you're having strict and over-controlling parents, then this video is going to be for you. So this video is going to show you how you can get the password that your parents have set so you avoid using Facebook or Messenger more than like 20 minutes a day or whatever. So this method only works for iOS 12. I remember like a couple of years ago, I have a very similar video for iOS 11, 10 and 9. But this doesn't work for iOS 12 anymore because of the introduction of screen time. So that's why I decided to make a video about this, and also because many of you have asked me to do this video. And also I would like to point out that we love hearing from you, we love feedback. What do you think about these videos and how we can improve this video? So for example, I had a feedback from a client saying that the desktop is very messy, so that's why I decided to clean it up and actually make everything more organized looked on the video. So please, if you have any feedback about how we can make these videos better, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you need to do is to go to iTunes and plug in your iPhone, connect your iPhone and click on your iPhone in order to access the information about your iPhone, and go ahead and do an encrypt iPhone data. So type a password. I'm going to type up the classic password of 1234 and the verified password 1234. This is my case. You can put another password if you like. I always remember this password in my kitchen just in case I forget it, the password, and then iTunes is going to go through your backup. Why are we doing this? Is because the method we're going to be using it involves the program, I will say, to go through the backup and look for the password that is used for screen time, and then this is how we're going to be given the password. So while iTunes is doing this job, which should take like 4 or 5 minutes or even more, depending on your machine, then you can go on the link down in the description, which is going to take you to this GitHub repo over here. The link is down in the description. So what you can do right now is you go scroll down, and depending on your operating system, you can choose which of these files you can download. If you have a Mac, click on the first option. If you have Windows, select this option depending on how many bits you have. So let's download it. Then go ahead and open it, and then go ahead and double click on this script. And if he gives you this message, then right click and then click on open, then open, and then it's going to ask you to insert the encryption password that you have just set before. So let's do it, and then press enter. And now this little script is looking for the screen time password in order for you to go ahead and disable it if you want. Okay, so now it's done. So let me actually resize it so we can have a better view. So as you can see, these are all the backups that I have done so far, and this is what we're looking for. This is the latest backup that we have, and this is the restriction passcode over here. So 1234, a very basic password. So now I'm gonna go and open my iPhone. Okay, so right now on my iPhone, if I want to go and use, let's say Facebook, for example, and you can go for ask for more time, you can enter screen time passcode. And then this is the password that we just got, which is 1234. And we can approve for 15 minutes, an hour, for all day. Let's approve for 15 minutes for now. And boom, now you're on Facebook. Okay, but what about if you just want to completely disable it? But if you don't want your parents to find out, maybe you should actually skip this step. But I'm going to show it anyway. So go to settings and then go to, what is it? Screen time. And then go and say turn off screen time. Again, it's going to ask you for the password. No problem. We know the password. 1234. Turn off screen time. Boom. Screen time is off. And now, as you can see, you can use all the social media without having any sort of restrictions. That was my case. In your case, you could your games could be restricted by your parents, social media, or even any other apps. Okay, and that brings you to this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button if you like this video. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to share this video to your friends if they're having the same problem, their parents being very strict, and you would like them to have more freedom. Don't forget to drop your comment, and don't forget to let me know what you like and what you don't like from our videos and how we can improve them in the future down in the comments below, and also your thoughts for this particular video. And also, most important, if you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit this notification bell right next to it in order to get notified for every video we upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video.